Hi, I'm Julia, a reference and instruction librarian at Eastern Gateway Community College. In this video, I'm going to review the CRAAP test and what it is used for. The CRAAP test provides criteria to evaluate information for quality, credibility, and usefulness. CRAAP stands for Currency, Relevance, Authority, Accuracy, and Purpose. We're next going to review all of these criteria in more detail, as well as some questions you should ask yourself as you evaluate an information source. Currency is how current or timely the information is. If you're working in a field where information changes rapidly, such as technology or science, it is especially important to have up-to-date current information. Ask yourself, does your topic require current information? When was the information published or last updated? Are the links functional? Does the information seem out of date or obsolete? Relevance is how well the information fits your assignment requirements or research topic. This will of course depend on what kind of assignment or research you are doing. Ask yourself, does the information relate to your topic? What kind of audience is the information intended for? Is the information written in a way that is too technical or too simplified? Authority relates to the credibility and expertise of the author, creator, and publisher of the information. You will want to ensure that the author is qualified to write about the topic. You can determine this by investigating the author's credentials, past published works, and reviewing how often other experts cite their work. Ask yourself, who is the author of the information? Is the author an expert? Does the publisher seem reliable? Can you find information about the author's credentials online? Do books or articles on the same subject cite this author's work? Does the URL reveal anything about the source? Accuracy coincides with the reliability of the information, such as whether the information has been reviewed by experts and is supported by credible evidence. Peer-reviewed sources are more accurate and reliable, since they have been vetted by experts in the field. Ask yourself, is the information supported by credible evidence? Has the information been peer-reviewed? Does the language or tone seem unbiased? Do the citations and references support the author's claim? Does the information match what other experts have to say on the topic? Finally, we have purpose. Purpose is the main reason or rationale for the information. Depending on what kind of information you need, you may be looking for websites or other information sources with various purposes, such as to inform, educate, persuade, or entertain. For academic assignments, you generally will want information that is meant to educate or inform the audience on a topic. Ask yourself, why did the author create this information? Is there obvious bias or prejudice present? Are alternative perspectives given? And what is the overall tone? In another video, I show you how to use the CRAAP test to evaluate 2 online information sources. There is a link to that video in this video's description. If you have any questions about the CRAAP test or about evaluating information sources in general, please reach out to us via email or chat live with a librarian on the EGCC library website. Thanks for watching!